how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Sonic EXE, but kind of a more horrifying version of him. So it's going to be just a headshot. That's pretty much it. Like a much more, grotesque, not grotesque, but a much more, monstrous looking version of him. So let's get started, okay? Let me flip this paper over a bit. There's a couple of dots there. Alrighty. So it's going to be for beginners still, I believe. So I'm going to go down here, pull down for kind of the brow. Pulling up. Pull up over here. Line. Right there for kind of the other brow, like the top of the other eye. Curve over here for kind of the top of the snout area. He's going to be looking a little bit that way. And I'm going to pull a line up in right here. It's going to have that shape to the nose. Kind of like a wine cork bottle or something. Line down here. And I'm going to throw a smile right there. He's gonna have giganto, kind of like the movie It teeth. That's kind of what I'm thinking about. So I'm gonna draw the outside of that first, and then on here the teeth I'm gonna make them thin and jaggedy. Very thin and jaggedy. That's kind of what I want. Right? Very similar to that movie It. Like Pennywise from It. I'm going to cap the top of them over here with, you're going to see the gum line right there. Like them inserting the gum line. And down here if I can get any. Alright. So it's generally, I'm drawing like thinner lines right there. Pulling down right here. Line over here. Curve for the side of the mouth. Over here, and then pull down. Gonna go over this side, find the other kind of roundness of the mouth, and I'm gonna trace that around. Line over here. And now I'm going to find the eye right here. It's going to be like that, like an arc. Line over here. Dot in the center. Dot in the center. Curve around the outside of that brow. Over here as well. Outside of the brow. Let's go over here and find the ear. It's going to be a little bit goofy shaped and long. That's kind of what I wanted to do there. Line over here, line over here. Okay, that's one ear. It's going to be all goofy, like plastered like that. Curve for the spike. Out, in. It's a lot spikier than normal, sharper. Line over here. Line over here. And I guess I will draw the shoulder over here. So pull up right there, I'll see the shoulder. Line down over here, tummy. Color change. And his arm's just gonna go down. And I'm gonna stay with the spiked pattern thing, that large spikes. I'm gonna go into the eyes now, and I'm gonna fill in the sclera, which is one of the biggest things that makes, well, right here, I see I'm gonna leave a little line right there, a little space. And then over here is where I'm gonna fill it in. I'm gonna fill in the sclera dark. That's pretty much symbolic of Sonic.exe. So he has that kind of feature there. Right on. And over here. You can also add a little bit of shadow here in the actual teeth, just to kind of ground it. Maybe like the back of the mouth over here. You can have shadow, maybe in between here where there's going to be little spaces, right, where the teeth are not going to quite meet dead on. You can kind of add that in. And a little bit here. A little bit here from the top of the mouth, casting a shadow onto the teeth. A little bit. Line here, line here, line here. You want that, these lines, these folds that make it look a little just weird right here, maybe even in the spike area. They just make the whole thing kind of uncomfortable and weird. Oh, I forgot about the other side. So see the far side ear. So go over here. Something like that, almost like demonic looking. If you like this, hit that like, and don't forget to share. That's another thing. Share the video. The sharing is caring. If you share it anywhere like Reddit or Twitter or just to a friend, it can kind of really put a lot more into the channel. I could just throw a lot more stuff out here, but you have to kind of do that to, you know, just to kind of general support. Like, let's say, look at the furrowing between the brows right there. You can draw another line here, like in that same direction, right? Maybe even some lines over here, like he's really furrowing that brow. Like, man, like, looks just weird, right, and scary. That's the whole point. This is the, I mean, he's always like a creepy version, that's the idea, but I want to make him a little creepier through the drawing style, and that's kind of what I was hoping to accomplish. I hope I did that for you. What I want you to do is say hi to me, and I want you to go check out the official website, sketchingeasy.com, okay? Sketchingeasy.com. I'm gonna be putting a lot of stuff on there. Go take a look at that. There's a bunch of cool tutorials on there. There's a bunch of cool videos. I'm gonna start putting downloads on there, and there's stickers there for sale. So talk to you later, and I will see you very, 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 very soon. And that's pretty much the end. I'll talk to you next time. Stay confident, draw every day, and I will see you soon. Okay, artists? See you later.